Y'all, I finally came outside and everything, and this is what we got outside: snow. As y'all can see, a lot of snow. Then it usually don't snow out here in South Carolina. It's not too much. I mean, hell, I'm from New York. It's usually more than what you see out here right now. So it really ain't much. But, you know, everybody out here want to go crazy because it finally snowed out here. The stairs, oh yeah, if it rained tonight, yeah, all this shit right here is about to turn into ice. But yeah, I'm about to show you what the car looked like in a minute. So y'all, I'm over here by the car right now. And you can see, you already see people out here riding their dirt bike, well, four-wheeler. But yeah, this the car right here, y'all. And the way, if y'all can see my foot, I feel like straight ice. I'm trying to go slow. I don't know, but this is like straight ice out here. Yeah, what's good? What's good? It's the next morning and everything. We finally came outside, you know, to check the roads out and everything. Make sure the roads are kind of good, you know, after we got this slight little snowstorm and everything. I mean, the snow, it did stick, you know what I'm saying? It did stick and everything. But right now, my fault. Y'all listen, y'all hear this radio. But yeah, like I said, it did stick. It sticked a little bit and everything, but you know, we did get like, what was it, like a little bit of rain, so it kind of made it icy, a little melty and all that. So you know, they telling people to try to stay off the roads if they can, but you know, people got to get to work sometime. So I'm out here right now. As y'all can see, it's icy everywhere. It's ice everywhere. I'm literally walking on the fucking ice right now, and it's cold as fuck. Y'all see the ice? All the ice right here. As y'all can see it, there's still snow on the ground. You still see cars out here. I mean, people still driving out here. You feel me? People still driving. It's just certain places you gotta be careful. Like I said, cause it rained last night, so everything is like icy and everything. But people out here in the South, it's like they get so scared when it starts snowing, cause they're not used to snow like I am. I mean, I'm from New York, like I said, and everything. You know, everybody else is used to the snow. They really ain't nothing. You just gotta put some dirt and and salt down, and you be good. You be gravy. But what y'all see me trying to get this off the car. But yeah, it's getting cold out here, so your boy about to get back in his car and go back home. So y'all just stay tuned. Oh shoot, almost fell in the car, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. So y'all, what's going on, y'all? So I just came back from getting me and my girl something to eat and everything, cause we've been out earlier. We was out earlier, but we couldn't get us any food because it was a long line and she had to get back to work. But got this good old peach drink for me and her, and it's from American Deli. You know, that's what we like to eat and everything. So your boy over here about to munch on this chicken Philly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what your boy be eating on, that chicken Philly. So hopefully that's good. And then I also got me some boneless wings with some fries as well. As y'all can see. And she just got 10 pieces of different kind of wings, and she got fries. So yeah, we gotta go home and put some seasoning on these fries, because you can't just eat them like this. But y'all, this is gonna be the end of this vlog and everything. I wanted to show y'all how much snow we ended up getting and how it looked. And all that, you know. So everybody was going crazy about how much inch of snow we was gonna get, and if it was gonna be crazy or not. Right now we just got plenty of ice, so you gotta be careful, very careful on the roads and everything. But other than that, that's about it. But like I said, I'm about to head to the house. Me and her about to eat this food, and we're about to enjoy the rest of the day. So y'all, until next time, I'm gonna try to make some more vlogs when I can, but I do be making a lot of shorts, so continue to keep on reviewing my shorts, like, comment, share, get my views up. Y'all know what to do. Follow your boy, you heard me? Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Blessings.